Nike's Bionic running shoes could change human mobility forever. At first glance, Project Amplify sneakers look almost ordinary. The only hint of advanced engineering is the carbon fiber plate in the sole. But look closer. Massive 3D printed titanium supports wrap around the calves from behind. Inside, it's pure high-performance technology. Motors, sensors, batteries, and smart algorithms that learn and adapt to the runner's gait. Yes, the system weighs several kilograms. And yes, it looks more like futuristic sports armor than everyday footwear. But the mission is simple. Lift the heel, push the foot forward, and make every step faster, stronger, and more efficient. At CES in Las Vegas, more than a dozen startups showcased bionic shoes and lower body exoskeletons. What once belonged only to rehabilitation centers and military labs is now moving into everyday life. Of course, the debate is coming. Is this technological doping? Is it still sport? But think about it. Electric bikes didn't destroy cycling. They opened it to more people. And Nike seems to be betting on the same idea. If technology helps someone overcome fatigue, fear, or hesitation, and finally start running, then it has done its job. The prototype, planned for commercial release in 2028, has a range of about 10 kilometers. Batteries are replaceable, and developers promise lighter weight and greater endurance in the future. The real question is simple. Are people ready to run with a motor for the price of a premium device? If you're excited about the future of sports and innovation, hit like and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech stories.